My name is Tasha, and I'm a patient care technician at Christiana Hospital. In a million years, you would never tell me that I would be in healthcare. I didn't work much in 2023. My daughter was employed by Christiana Hospital. So she said, "Mom, how about you try this out?" I went ahead and I signed up, and it was wonderful, and I enjoy it tremendously. So I just decided to go back and try something different. I was very impressed by DawnCareerInstitute's structure. I'm into aesthetics. So when I walked inside and it looked like a real classroom, like I'll take a college course anytime. And when I walked inside, it felt like a mini college campus. The class was very structured. We had a phenomenal instructor by the name of Miss Amy, whom, the biggest fear I think I had was being probably the most seasoned individual in the class, but I loved it. You kind of lead the way. You don't need to gel with many people, so it was a wonderful experience, truth be told.